What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of the Revelos. My name is Francis, and today I'm going to be exploring another expired IMP. I'm not sure why I brought this from the old house to here, but they're here. Might as well open them up, see what's inside. So today's menu is supper menu number 4. It's pork with herb and wine sauce. I've already taken one meal out. I'll link that in the description. And I still have 5 left that are untouched, but I do want to explore these ones eventually as well. But today we're going to be exploring supper menu number 4.
Welcome to the Revelos. Name is Francis. Revelos.
Do you want to help me open this expired MRE? Yeah, and see what's inside? You can't eat it, okay? This is rotten, it's old, but we just want to see what's inside, okay?
Yeah. I'm just going to put this over here.
Okay, all right, guys. We're gonna open this classic Canadian Forces IMP.
I got it from Groundhog Day.
All right, so these are expired. They're extremely old. This one is from 2001. That big 2001, that means it's approximately 25 years old. Crazy. So this 2001 is a manufacture date. And basically this is when it was packed. You're crazy. So this is a classic Canadian IMP. IMP meaning individual meal pack. So we're gonna open this bad boy up and see what's inside. You ready? You wanna tear it? Yep. Here, scoot over here. Open it up. You can't eat this, okay? Whoa. Okay, this one's pretty slick. So this is what's inside, you guys. The thing that catches my eye is this Fig Newton bar. It's a full fruit bar. Fig Newton.
Are we not allowed to eat that?
We can't eat these ones, they're really old. The date's not even on there properly. You can barely read the date. What's that? Naisha pulled out a Taste Station chocolate. That might still be good to eat. I wouldn't give that to you though because I don't know. It's 25 years old. What is this?
Ew.
This is instant buttered rice. MSG added. Add boiling water to the dotted line and mix well. This is a lime beverage drink. So basically you add the contents of this pouch into a canteen or cup with 227 milliliters of water. Stir to dissolve. So your average powdered drink.
What do we got? Oh, I got the bucket of water. Sure.
Peanut butter.
Put the bucket. Oh, it says peanut butter. I don't know what that is.
Sliced peaches.
Big bag.
What is this bad boy? Oh, this is bread. You can eat the bread. Well, could have eaten the bread. What's that? What you got there? Whoa. We got mustard.
What do I got here?
What do you got there? Sugar packet. What's that? Another peanut butter. So if you really like peanut butter, that's the way to go. What do we got here?
What?
This is the main event, you guys, right here.
What's doing mine?
Got instant coffee, and this is coffee whitener. Is that cool?
What's this?
Oh, the IMP order form and questionnaire.
Daddy.
That's more sugar, yeah. What's that?
Pepper.
This is a toothpick.
This.
This is salt. This is matches to light a fire. We got a napkin. It looks like a McFlurry spoon, or just a plastic spoon to get your meal out.
What are we going to do with this?
We're gonna open up the IMP and see what it looks like inside. We'll open that after, okay?
Later?
Yeah. And this is a moist towelette. Let's see how moist this is after so many years. So first, we're gonna open up what would have been like an appetizer, okay? Or here, hold on. So first, we're gonna make the drink, okay?
Okay, what is it made of?
This is supposed to be a lime drink. All right, guys, we're gonna open up the lime. Whoa, that powdered up real good.
And the groundhog gave me
Wow.
mud juice.
The groundhog gave you a mug juice?
Yeah.
Smell that.
Yum.
What's it smell like?
Smells like a bit like a watermelon flavor too.
Like a watermelon?
Yeah.
I doubt that, but we'll see.
Here's
We're not gonna drink this, but I want to see what it looks like
Oh,
mixed.
it's like mud. Daddy, my grandpa made me this. Hey, look.
All right, guys. So the drink, it's clumping on the bottom, but it's your standard drink. Smells really good.
Can I smell it?
You can smell it, but don't eat it. Okay? Smell it. So in the field, that's what I would have been drinking. All right. So next, we're gonna open up bread and the peanut butter, because that would have been like our snack. Oh, actually, we can open up first the Fig Newtons. Okay, let's see what it looks like.
Some bags. Look what Groundhog gave us, Daddy.
Fig Newton bar.
Look, I got a bucket of pale water. Groundhog!
Got a bit of an appetizer there, and then we got the bread. Whoa, look at that. Got a little loaf of bread here.
Oh, can I smell? It smells so bad.
It smells bad. And then you got like a decasecant peck. So let's say you're out in the field. I don't have a knife, but what's the bread look like inside?
Daddy,
Hold
I'm making the sweet bit.
You're making the sugar or the salt water.
Yeah, I'm making the water.
So the bread still looks pretty fluffy
That's
actually.
juice.
Yeah. Okay.
Daddy,
You want to see what the peanut butter looks like? So this is 25 years old. This is almost just as young as Daddy. No, I'm just kidding. I'm really old. So look. This is how you eat peanut butter in the field. Look at this. Watch. Whoa.
now can I smell the peanut butter?
Yeah, smell it. That smells good? What doesn't?
It smells
That
like.
stinks. It smells like ammonia.
It does smell like a real peanut butter too, Daddy.
Yeah, kind of.
That's packages.
If this was an edible IMP, yeah, I would definitely eat this. So now you got your peanut butter sandwich. Up next, something that I know very well. We got rice. Fortunately, it's minute rice, but in the field, this is great.
And I was making soup.
So you cook your rice.
You can't eat this soup, Daddy. You can't eat this soup. Sorry. It's just like this.
So dusty, my goodness. So we got the minute rice, and you have your peanut butter sandwich.
And you have soup.
Fig Newton. Your saltwater soup.
There.
So now we're gonna open up the pork with herb and wine sauce.
Oh, all over again.
You wanna open this one?
Oh,
So this is made by Freddy Chef, and you basically just take this and place it in boiling water. All right, so this is made by Freddy Chef. So basically decoding this date code, that purple stamp code, that 00215M2 space 12, that's the key to know exactly when this was made. It uses the Julian date system. So the 0021, it represents the year and the day. The first 0 indicates the year 2000. The 021 indicates the 21st day of that year. So the production date, this specific pouch was packaged on January 21, 2000. M212, those are factory codes representing the specific product line, the shift, or batch number. So Freddy Chef was a major contractor for the Canadian Department of National Defense during the 1990s to the early 2000s. So this type of pouch specifically is called a retort pouch. It's basically like a flexible can, if you will. Okay, ready to open this bad boy up? We're gonna see what's inside. This is old. It's like 25 years old.
I opened it up.
You open the pepper? That's okay. Here, ready? Pull here. Pull up here. Pull it. Oh, don't get it on your hands. Ew.
I got it on my hand.
I know, just wait. I gotta wipe here. Here, wipe your hands. Yucky.
Yucky?
Oh yeah, that's rotten. That is old.
That is rotten.
Oh, smell it again. Why? Why would you do that, Francis? Smell.
No.
I'm just kidding. Is it yucky?
Britain brown.
Again, like my other video, I imagine this would have tasted so good when it was still like good.
There's some vandaloaks. Oh, thank you, Grandma.
I mean, it doesn't look bad. So I've done some videos on some MREs that are expired, probably I think a couple that are not. Having said that, I should probably get some MREs or like hiking meals or something that are still okay to eat and actually eat them. But I mean, this is fun. This is fun opening these up. It's kind of cool. So up next, we have sliced peaches. This is also by Freddy Chef. So reading this sliced peaches pouch. So the contents are definitely just sliced peaches. The production date of 00273F160 is also Julian format, 0 indicating the year 2000. 273 indicates that 273rd day of the year, which is September 29th in a leap year like 2000. And with any canned food or retort pack like this, they always include that do not use if pouch is damaged. So do not consume if pouch is damaged. So I'm looking for dessert. Oh, I got it on my hands. Oh. The pepper came out, it's okay. Delicious. That's okay. So let's just say this was here, and we dumped our dessert here.
Ew.
It looks so gross. But when it was good, it was probably really good, right? It was probably like your fruit cups, right? Yeah? Ooh. Yummy. The sugar never goes bad, so I'll keep those. And then we're gonna open up this Hershey's Taste Stations chocolate candy. Ooh. It looks like the type of candy that you'd find in like your grandma's purse or in that little dish at your grandma's house.
Hands on it. Because you were touching all of those and I was.
And then we got this wet nap. We'll see here. So the last wet nap that I opened was like incredibly dry. This one still has a little bit of moisture to it. And it doesn't smell bad. Oh, well now it does. But it doesn't smell bad.
But the good one.
Then this instant coffee and this coffee creamer.
Goodbye, it stinks.
You're gonna go?
Yep.
Okay, bye.
Because that stinks.
It stinks?
Yes.
Okay, love you. Let me kiss. Where are you going?
Bye-bye.
Wailanga. All right, guys, there you have it. That's supper menu number 4, Canadian IMP. That's pork with herb and wine sauce. If this was edible, I definitely would be eating this. This is something that would definitely fill me up. Anyway, you guys, I hope you liked that video. We'll catch you on the next one.
Yeah, and I'll catch you on the stinky video.
My daughter just says she'll catch you guys on the next not stinky video. Peace, guys. We'll catch you later. If you guys liked that video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you like content just like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell icon for more notifications from the Revelos. Thank you guys for watching.